Welcome all. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series on the topic software project management, the short form that is called SPM as well. SPM is a subject which is most common for computer science students, and it's also in the BTech electronics students, and for the BCA, BSc CS, IT, these students can get more knowledge about this subject by this series. In this series, we will cover some most common concepts of SPM and some other topics which you have never seen before, like the detailed COCOMO and many more topics which I have prepared for you all. So let's start our unit first. And in this lecture, we will come to know what is SPM, what is the need of this. As you all know, if we will not manage anything, you can say that a project, that we cannot get a satisfactory results from that. If we manage the things, we will get the positive output. So as the word say SPM, it is a combination of three words, that is software, project, management. Software, as you all know, software is a collection of programs. And if we further divide this, program is a set of instructions, and instructions are the common instruction given to the computer. Project, any task, any detailed work which we want to complete. And management, how to manage the things as well. So if we say SPM is a sub-discipline of project management in which software projects are planned, monitored, and controlled. Or even we can say from the starting of a project and for the final deliverables. This total chain will covered in the process of SPM. Let's move further to the topic software project. A software project is the complete procedure of software development from requirement gathering to testing and maintenance, and carried out according to the execution methodologies, as we've discussed, from starting to the final deliverables. All the stages, all the things are covered in the software project. As we have discussed earlier about software, we can also say that software is a set of, it's a tangible product. Tangible and intangible things you have listened many times. Tangible, to which we can touch, we can feel them, that called tangible. And intangible products and intangible things are that which we cannot touch. Like software development is a kind of stream in the business world, and most of the products are tailor-made for client's requirement. Or even 99.9% softwares are made and prepared or developed to meet the client requirement. As you all know, every field, every project, every dimension have some constraints which we must follow and which can impact the quality or impact the other phases of anything. So in this, we have also 3 dimensions. For them, we will work, that is time, cost, and quality. We must take care about these 3 things. If any one of these will not be managed or will go in the wrong direction, then other 2 will suffer. Or we can say that any one of these 3 can affect the other 2. These are the triple constants. For software constant, it is an essential part of software organization to deliver quality product, keeping the cost within client's budget constraint and deliver the project as per the schedule. Okay, for as we have seen, these 3 things, these 3 factors are more important in software project. If we will not manage any one of these, then other 2 can suffer. So this is all about the what is software management. Okay, now the third one, that is management. Management is a field in itself, as you will all know that the management field, that is acquire the knowledge of administration, and there are many courses belongs to it, like BBA, MBA, etc. We will take some review of the simple definition of management, as management is the art of getting work done through other people and also see that they will do it in an effective way and also in the cheapest way. The cost should be minimum. Okay, this is the responsibility of the management. Then take the work or complete the work within the budget, within the time frame, and also in very cheapest way. There are some process, or we can say some function of management as well. When you will see anywhere it have 2 functions, that is first one is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. This is staffing, STAFFING. Staffing, directing, and controlling. And the last one, this is not a function or not a process of the management, but it's very essential in all these steps. At every step, if there is no coordination, then work will not done according to the planning. So this is all done in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will cover the next topic of this unit. Prepare your notes. I am showing you some notes. You can prepare your notes accordingly. Okay.